Imagine a world where your home breathes as healthily as you do. That's exactly what Xair brings to life with its SafeBreathe smart indoor CO2 detector. This state-of-the-art device monitors the air quality in your living spaces by tracking carbon dioxide levels, ensuring that your home environment is as safe and fresh as possible. Xair, a trusted name with a decade of expertise in crafting high-quality detection equipment and testing instruments, has engineered SafeBreathe to offer unparalleled performance and reliability. The detector is equipped with smart technology that sends notifications and alerts directly to your smartphone app, keeping you informed about the air quality in real time. Whether you're away from home or busy with daily tasks, SafeBreathe acts as your vigilant guardian, monitoring the CO2 levels without missing a beat. It's perfect for families with young children or elderly relatives who need extra care and attention regarding air quality. With SafeBreathe, you can breathe easier, knowing that your loved ones are breathing healthier air. Xair is currently running a promotion on the SafeBreathe Smart Indoor CO2 Detector. You can contact me through my homepage email address to learn more about the product.